Today, I'll show you how to add the Open to Work feature on LinkedIn. This can be a great way to let potential employers know that you're available for new opportunities. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, take your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop down menu with several options related to your LinkedIn profile and account settings. From the drop down menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can make adjustments and updates to your information and settings. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Open to Work section. You might see this option prominently displayed if you haven't set it up before. Click on the Edit button associated with this section. This will allow you to adjust your Open to Work settings and customize how you want to appear to others on LinkedIn. Next, scroll down the page until you find the Visibility section. This part is crucial because it determines who can see that you're open to new job opportunities. Depending on your preferences, you might want to be visible to all LinkedIn members, or perhaps just recruiters. For this tutorial, we'll select the option that allows all LinkedIn members to see your Open to Work status. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click the Save button. This will ensure that your changes are applied and your profile is updated accordingly. It's a simple but important step to confirm that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Open to Work feature on your LinkedIn profile. This is a fantastic way to increase your visibility to potential employers and recruiters, making it easier for them to find you when they're looking to fill a role that matches your skills and experience. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated is key to making the most out of this professional platform. Regularly check back to update your skills, experiences, and preferences to reflect your current career aspirations. This ensures that you're putting your best foot forward and maximizing your opportunities for new and exciting job prospects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your LinkedIn presence. Good luck with your job search, and I hope you find the perfect opportunity soon.